In this video, we will go through some of the more advanced features of the Allsolve code editor. If we have any indentation in Python code, there will be these auto-generated folding blocks. If we double-click on a word, it will be highlighted across the whole code. Pressing Ctrl or Command F will automatically search for that word. So if we highlight the, let's say, the field and find, it will go into search mode for the field, FLD. You can either go through all the search results with these like arrows, or press the All button, which will move the cursor to any place this search result is found. And in this case, it opens up the multi-cursor mode, which you can also enable by pressing Alt or Option key and dragging. The find also supports replacing. So if we press this plus button here, you can either replace a single occurrence or all the occurrences of that string. If we made an error, we can just press Ctrl Z to undo the changes, or with the Shift, redo the same changes.